Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Mario Arap and I'm private investigator in Calgary, Alberta, in Canada. I am the owner of a private investigator agency called Ghost Mountain Investigations, and today we are here in BANFF National Park. I love nature, I'm a hunter, I'm an angler, I love fly fishing, I love everything regarding nature, camping. And this is our view for today. It's extremely windy, and here it's not that bad like down when you come down from the mountain, but it's a wonderful day. It's beautiful, sunny. And this is our view. This is one of the first videos that I will make today, and I will just be adding videos to this clip so you can see how beautiful Banff is, the nature of it. There's not lots of snow, but there's lots of sunshine today, so it's late in the evening too. It's not evening, so in the afternoon. So in 2 hours there will be dark, so I will be waiting for sunset over the mountains that will be coming soon. Talk to you later, guys.